Warning: this video contains real car crash footage that may be disturbing. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video covers a horrifying and tragic crash involving an Audi RS6 on the German Autobahn, one of the most violent supercar crashes we have seen in the recent years. The Audi RS6 is no joke, a 4-liter twin-turbo V8 over 600 horsepower and capable of reaching speeds over 300 km per hour with ease. But even the best engineering in the world has limits, and this incident proves it. This happened near Stuttgart, Germany, on the Autobahn, one of the few highways in the world with no general speed limit. The driver was reportedly pushing 310 km per hour, which is 193 miles per hour, when they lost control of the car. At that speed, a single mistake is catastrophic. The RS6 slammed into the median and literally split into two from the impact. Tragically, so did the driver. One half of the body was recovered at the crash site, the other half was never found. First responders described the scene as one of the most gruesome they had ever witnessed. The car was torn apart with debris scattered for hundreds of meters. This was not just the crash, it was complete destruction. This tragic loss is a reminder that high speed, even on legal roads like the Autobahn, carries enormous risk. No car, no matter how powerful, can save you from the physics. Drive smart, stay alive. Let us know your thoughts below and consider subscribing if you want more real and raw automotive content.